Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to determine the future value of ordinary annuity. So I'm going to teach you two ways on how to do that. The first is based from the definition of the future value of ordinary annuity, and the second method or solution will be based from the formula of the future value of ordinary annuity. So let us read example number one. It says, suppose Mrs. Remoto like to save 3,000 pesos every month in a fund that gives 9% compounded monthly. How much is the amount or future value per savings after 6 months? So, sinulat ko na dito yung given and the required of the problem. Now, um, analyze natin yung problem kung anong uri ng annuity ito. Palagay ka na kasi sa taas is ordinary annuity. And ano pang klaseng annuity ito? So, napansin natin na si Mrs. Remoto magse-save every month. So, ang payment interval niya is every month or monthly. While the interest period natin is 9% compounded monthly. So, ibig sabihin, parehas yung payment interval dun sa interest period natin, tatawagin natin siyang simple annuity. But since naka-indicate na ordinary annuity, pag sinabing ordinary annuity, every end of the interval ang bayarin niya o siya magse-save. So, tatawagin natin itong simple ordinary annuity. Okay? And then, ito yung mga given values natin. We have R, the payment interval or the savings of Mrs. Remoto is 3,000 monthly. We have the annual interest rate. The symbol is I to the 12. In parentheses, that is 9% or 0.09 in decimal. We have the term is 6 months. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 6 na beses siyang magse-save ng 3,000. And we can compute the interest rate per period, yung J natin, that is I over M. Okay? Ang M natin, by the way, is 12 kasi compounded monthly. So we have I is 0.09 divided by 12. So that is equivalent to 0.0075. 0.0075. Okay. Now, I'm going to solve the future value of annuity based from the definition. Sabi, ang future value daw ng annuity natin is sum ng future value ng mga payments natin nung entire term. Okay, so sa makatuwid, i-add natin yung mga future values nung 3,000 nung first month, future value nung second month, future value nung third month, fourth, fifth, and sixth month. Okay, yung 6 month, yung future value niya is already 3,000 kasi yun na yung future eh. Okay? We can no longer solve for the future value kasi yun na yung future value of 3,000 on the 6th month. Okay? First thing to do is, this is solution number 1, illustrate the cash flow. Okay? In a time diagram. Ano ba yun? We have here 0 month. Okay? We have this first month, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So, ganyan yung cash, yung kanyang time diagram. 3K here, 3K, 3K, 3,000 on the fourth month, 3K, and 3K. So, yan yung ating time diagram, okay? Na nag-illustrate ng cash flow. So, magbabayad ka dun sa end of the payment interval, kaya tinawag siyang ordinary annuity. Okay? Pero kung dito, magbabayad ka na at the start or beginning of the payment interval, annuity due yun. Okay? But since dito ang bayad, ordinary annuity. Okay? Now, we solve for the future value. Find the future value. of all the payments using the compound interest formula kasi compounded siya. Yung ating future amount or future value of money, we have P1 plus R raised to T. Okay? Yun yung gagamitin muna natin, hindi muna yung formula ng future value ng annuity. So we have, kuha tayo dito, we have here 3K. We have 3K here. Dito natin ilagay. Okay. Ito yung first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. We have here 0 month, first month, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth month. So, kukunin natin yung future value nito. Okay, future value nito. Future value nito. Future value nito. Future value niyan. And ako, masikip. So here's now the illustration in finding the future values of each payment, okay, of our ordinary annuity. Now, based from the definition, para daw makuha yung future value ng annuity, kukunin lang natin yung mga future values ng payments natin. So ito yung future, okay? Ito yung 6th month. Yan yung future natin. Ito ay first payment, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth payment. Now, kukunin natin yung mga future values nitong payments na to. At siyempre, mas malaki ang tutubuin pa nito, itong first payment na to, as compared to the fifth payment. Actually, yung sixth payment, wala nang tutubuin kasi nasa future na siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we're going to use this formula to determine the future values of these payments. P, 1 plus R raised to T. Yung R natin, given kanina, nasolve na natin kanina, yun yung interest rate per period, that is 0.0075. At yung T natin nagbabary from 1 to 1, 2, 3, we have 0, 1, to 5. Okay? Gandun lang siya. Now, for the sixth payment, ito na yung future, hindi na siya tutubo. So, therefore, ang future value of 3,000 is 3,000. But if you want to use the formula, P equals 1 plus R raised to T, we have here 0 month. Kaya T to the 0, pag gumamit ka ng formula, we have 3,000 1 plus 0.0075 raised to 0. Okay? So, this will become 1 times 3,000. Lalabas 3,000 pa rin, yung future value of 3,000. But, my advice is, wag na lang i-compute kasi, alam naman natin, yung future value of 3,000 on the 6th month is already 3,000. So, 3,000 ang future value nito. For the fifth payment, the future value, may 1 month na pagitan. Sa makatwid, tutubo pa yung 3,000 sa loob ng isang buwan. Okay? So, using this formula, we have 3,000 times 1 plus 0.0075, and the interval is 1 month. Okay? So, using our scientific calculator, we have 3,000 times quantity 1.0075 close quantity raised to 1 is equal to 3,022.50. So 3,022.50. Okay? Next, ito tutubo pa kasi 2 months pa yung future niya on the last savings na ihuhulog ni Mrs. Remoto. So that will be 3,000 times 1 plus 0.0075 raised to 2. So we have, pwedeng pindutin nyo na lang itong arrow to the left and then palitan nyo na lang yung exponent, 2. Okay, ganon. And then equals 3,000, kunin natin 3 decimal places niya, 3,045.169. Okay, next, 3,000, 1 plus 0.0075. This is 1, 2, 3. Third month pa. 3 ang ating T. So again, press R to the left. And then another R to the left. Press delete para mapalitan yung 2 ng 3. Then equals 3,068. 1,068. 008. 008. And then we have 3,000. This is 1.0075 or 1 plus 0.0075 raised to 4. Again, R to the left, delete, replace 3 by 4. 3,091, 091.018. Okay. Next, last, yung ating first payment, 3,000, 1 plus 0.0075 raised to 5. So R to the left, delete, replace 4 by 5, then equals 3,114.200. Okay. Now, analyze natin yung mga values natin nakuha. May pinakamalaking interest ay yung first savings ni Mrs. Remoto kasi mas malaki talaga ang future value niya. Tutubo pa siya ng 5 months. Okay? Ang wala ng interest yung 6th payment kasi nasa future na siya. Okay? So, habang mas malayo siya sa future, mas malaki yung kanyang interest. Itong interest ito, 114.20, 91.018, 68.008. Ito, maliit ang interest, 22.50. Now, ano yung future value of our annuity? Sabi sa definition, sum nito. I-add lang natin yang lahat ng mga future values na yan. So, starting doon sa 6th savings niya, that is 3,000 plus 3,022.50 plus 3,045.169 plus 3,068.008 plus 3,091.018 plus 3,114.2 and equals, we have 18,340.89 or 895. 18,340.895. Okay? So, ito yung future value ng savings ni Mrs. Remoto. Okay? So, that is how to determine the future value of annuity. Now, after 6 months, actually, dapat 18,000 lang, di ba? Kaso nga, tumutubo siya ng 9% compounded monthly, kaya naging 18,340.895 centavos, o 0.895. So, ibig sabihin, tumubo siya ng 340.895 pesos. Okay? Now, baka isipin nyo, how about kung 2 years, kukunin yung future value ng ating ordinary annuity. So, napakahaba ng solution. There is a second way on how to determine the future value of an annuity value. That is using the formula of future value of ordinary annuity. And that will be my second video in how to solve the future value of ordinary annuity. So, thank you.